हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जैसे पहले खुद को जय करे। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, भेद भाव अपने दिल से साफ कर सके,
खुद पे हौसला रहे, बड़ी से ना डरे। खुद पे हौसला रहे, बड़ी से ना डरे। दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करें। दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करें।
दोस्तों से भूल हो तो माफ कर सके, झूठ से बचे रहे, सच का दम भरे। दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे।
मुश्किलें पड़े तो हम पे इतना कर्म कर, साथ दे तू धर्म का, चले तू धर्म कर।
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।
India shaped my mind, ensured my identity, influenced my beliefs, and made me who I am. India matters to me, and I would like to matter India. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everyone presented here knows the reason to get together in such a big crowd. All Indians celebrate this day with great joy and enthusiasm every year. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th of August because India got its freedom in the night of 14th of August 1947. It is a national festival which brings zealous determinations, affirmations, and positivity amongst all of us. One individual may die for an idea, will after his death incarnate itself in thousands of lives. This quote by Netaji means that we are the human incarnation of the ideas that our ancestors have thought of. We must strive harder each and every day of our life for a better India. Shall not let them down either. No bite of delicious sweet should be taken without thinking of those rights. Those nights when our leaders fought empty stomachs. Us as citizens of this country should always keep the past, present and the future glory alive in every moment of this day. We shall promise to keep the head of our farmers, soldiers, doctors, industrialists and government bodies.
Good morning everyone present here. I, Ms. Kanak Chitlangi, stand before you to speak on the topic Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. It is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after a lot of sacrifices and hardships of our brave freedom fighters. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was selected as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled the tricolour flag at the Red Fort in the national capital New Delhi for the first time. From there onwards, every year we celebrate Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. On that day, all the students perform march past and some cultural programs are also held. Our freedom fighters struggled a lot to make our country free from Britishers. In addition, they were the ones who sacrificed their lives for the country. On this day, every citizen of our country pays tribute to them. The youth of our country has the power to change the nation. One of the main motives for celebrating Independence Day is to make the young generation aware of sacrifices our freedom fighters have made to make our country free from Britishers and a better place for them to live. Lastly, I would like to say that gaining independence from Britishers was not easy, and it's because of the struggle and hardship of our freedom fighters that we now live in a free country. Thank you, and I wish you all a happy Independence Day.
Let us salute our nation on its 74th Independence Day. A warm good morning and a happy Independence Day to each one of you. Should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an independent India. We cannot imagine by sitting here how hard the struggle for independence was for India. The love for our country is supreme. This nation has given us an identity, and now we should think of reaping something back to this nation and to the people of this beautiful country. Friends, we are the future generation of our country. I would like to say that we shall return the fragrance of our country, which has been lost since many decades, and make India free from all social issues like pollution, hygiene, sanitation, diseases, corruption, terrorism, and so on. We all shall work hard to make our country free from all social issues and make India a safe place on the earth. Till then, thank you. Stay safe, stay home. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. We are celebrating the 74th Independence Day of India. It's an historic day in the history of our country. First of all, I would like to salute our great warriors, leaders, and freedom fighters of our country who did a remarkable job to gift us a free and beloved country. History is full of struggles and sacrifices. He is a great proponent of peace and non-violence. He led the Indian freedom struggle during very critical times. He suffered in the hands of British, but he never gave up. He led millions of Indian people behind him under his banner. He is one of the greatest leaders of the world. The word freedom itself owes to our great freedom fighter Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He never compromised the rights of the people. Other great leaders like Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bal Gangadhar Tilak did a wonderful job in uniting.
A very good morning to one and all present here. I, Master Muhammad Ayanuddin, stand before you to speak a few words on Bhagat Singh on this auspicious day of 74th Independence Day of India. Bhagat Singh was born on 27 September 1907 at Banga in Punjab to Kishan Singh and Vidyati. At the age of 12, he visited the Jallianwala Bagh massacre where thousands of people were killed, and it was Lala Lajpat Rai left a great impact on Bhagat Singh. On 8 April 1929, Bhagat Singh with Batukeshwar Dutt threw 2 bombs into the assembly chamber to alert the British government that the people of India will not tolerate them anymore. They surrendered themselves by shouting the slogan, Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad. On March 23, 1931, Bhagat Singh was hanged in Lahore jail with Rajguru and Sukhdev. Bhagat Singh was just 23 years old when he happily gave his life for his country. Even on the day of hanging, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru were fearless. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe.
तलवारों पे संवार दिए अंगारों
जाके कहीं हम मेरे सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे मेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, पीका ना पड़े कभी अंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
सरसों से रहे खलियान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। ओ वतना वे मेरे वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी असमत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा गुल बन, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आँख घड़ी भर नम ना हो, मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो। ओ माई मेरी क्या फिक्र तुझे क्यों आँख से दरिया बहता है, तू कहती थी तेरा चांद हूँ मैं और चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Good morning, one and all present here. We all have gathered here virtually to celebrate 73rd Independence Day of our nation. Every year on this day, we hoist our national flag and remember the heroic deeds of our freedom fighters. This year also, we will pay homage to our motherland, India. This pandemic cannot dampen our spirit. There is nothing greater than mother and motherland. India is the cradle of human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great-grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only.
दिल से निकलेगी ना मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुए वतन आएगी। ये स्वर्णीय शब्द सरदार भगत सिंह जी ने अपने वतन को याद और दिल में रखकर कहा था। आप सभी को मेरा सादर प्रणाम और मेरी तरफ से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस कोरोना की अवस्था में भी हम सब एकजुट होकर अपना राष्ट्रीय दिवस मना रहे हैं। अंग्रेजों के अत्याचार और अमानवीय व्यवहार से भारतीय जनता एक होकर छुटकारा पाने हेतु कृतसंकल्प हो गए। अनेकता में एकता ही हमारा शान है, इसलिए मेरा भारत महान है।
स्वतंत्रता दिवस सभी स्थानों, राष्ट्रीय प्रांतीयों और स्थानीयों पर बड़ी धूमधाम से मनाया जाता है। राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली में प्रधानमंत्री 15 अगस्त को लाल किले की प्राचीर पर झंडा लहराते हैं और देश के नाम संदेश प्रसारित करते हैं। अन्य राज्यों की राजधानी में भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़े उल्लास से मनाया जाता है। यह दिवस हमें याद दिलाता है कि इस दिन हम अंग्रेज की गुलामी की बेड़ियों से आजाद हुए थे। देश की स्वतंत्रता के लिए हमारे वीरों को बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ी, अतः हमें इसकी तन मन धन से रक्षा करनी चाहिए।
Independence Day in India is the most important day for every Indian citizen as our country got freedom from the British rule. We celebrate this day every year on 15th of August from 1947. Our country also counted as the largest democratic country all over the world. India became an independent country on 15th August in 1947 after sacrifices of thousands of freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, etc., who worked hard to get independence from the British rule. Take a stand against evil, corruption and terrorism. For we belong to India, a nation of pride, and we will thus say, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, hum sab hai bhai bhai. Happy Independence Day.
Good morning, everybody. I am P. Subrat Kaushik of 10C. First of all, I wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. Generally, Independence Day is celebrated with majestic parades and gatherings at flag hoistings, spreading patriotic air all over. But it's quite unfortunate to be locked down by the pandemic. Yet, there is a bright side that technology made it possible for all of us to stay connected through virtual celebrations. On the occasion of the festival, which is celebrated all over the nation, regardless of color, caste, religion, race, or any kind of cultural diversity, I would like to share few of my views and independence. It's not just a word of rebellion, but it's a responsibility for all of us as a token of sacrifice of uncountable lives. It has been 74 years since independence was achieved, and let's look into what aspects made this history. We are running behind the education, which taught us environmental pollution filters, but not throwing waste right into the schools. We Indians mostly have habit of throwing a waste packet wherever we see. But do it here for spending less than a minute throwing it in the school. Our culture taught us how to respect a woman and described a woman so well in textbooks, and not taught about respecting her enough to give her freedom to wander on roads freely. Our lessons have already taught us about which traffic light color meant what, but not really made us feel that they are for our own safety. Today, we see many accidents and over-speeding vehicles. While we introduce ourselves in our class, we are asked, what is your goal? No one chooses politics. No one chooses to be a leader who clears the clutter. I don't want Indians to follow Swachh Bharat. I want everyone not to dirty it first. I don't want people to act like they are following traffic rules just before traffic rules. I want them to follow rules being conscious that they are for our safety. I don't want my friends to have goals only to get a good job. I want them to follow their true passion and give their best in their mission. I don't want more rules on women empowerment. I want Indians to give enough respect to the women. And I promise respect is mutual. But before preaching all these, before expecting others to be good, what am I? Am I good enough to reach others? If I really feel India as my home, I always throw my ways in this. I will never let someone dirty my creative area. Looking forward for the day to witness everything to be restored and can't wait to go back to school. Once again, Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everybody. Today we celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for the people of India because India becomes independent after a lot of hardships and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From the day onwards, 15th August become a very important day in Indian history and in the hearts of every Indian. Also, the entire nation celebrates this day with the full spirit of patriotism. After the independence, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was chosen as the first Prime Minister of India. Moreover, he unfurled our tricolor flag at the Red Fort in the national capital, New Delhi, for the first time. Every year we celebrate Independence Day at the Red Fort, New Delhi. In addition, the army performs many tasks that also include a march past cultural programs by school students. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives that we sacrificed to gain this freedom. As they are the ones who struggled for our country, on his day we forget our differences and unite as one true nation should. We celebrate Independence Day on a vast scale.
Hello everyone, I am Ms. Ishishri Srivastava is going to speak about patriotism. Patriotism. What is patriotism? The word itself refers to the devotion and support towards our country. The virtue pushes every citizen to work selflessly and work for the better of the country. Every developed country has a true patriot. Patriotism means working for the country's betterment and not for anyone else. In short, patriotism does have a great development in our country. It prevents harmful and selfish impacts and motivates country and unites brotherhood. For example, incidents such as the Pulwama attack, the Ghazi attack, the Uri attack, which ignited many patriotic feelings among every responsible Indian. The word patriotism is a reference to many great lives lost, such as Mahatma Gandhi, Shahid Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and many more. The present patriot is our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, who is a strong example for this generation and many generations to come. So now I sign on by saying Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat, which means United Nation, Great Nation. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Wishing you a happy Independence Day. Freedom of India was brought after a great struggle. There are a huge number of people who fought for freedom, but there are a few names which have not been written down in the page of history and have been lost over the years. Here are some of those names of people who formed a very important part of our freedom struggle and are yet not recognized. Number 1 is Matangini Hazra. Matangini Hazra was an Indian freedom fighter who participated in the non-cooperation movement and the Quit India movement. And during one of the processions, she was shot by the police in front of the Tamluk police station. Even after being shot thrice, she continued to march, holding the Tiranga and shouting Vande Mataram. Number 2 is Potti Sri Ramulu. Potti Sri Ramulu was a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. He worked for humanitarian causes and supported the Dalit community. After seeing Potti Sri Ramulu's dedication towards the nation, if Gandhiji said, "If only I have 11 more followers like Potti Sri Ramulu, I would win freedom in a year." Number 3 is Tangutri Prakasham. Tangutri Prakasham is famous for his acts during 1928 during the protest against the Simon Commission in Madras. The police has imposed ban on protests in certain areas and had warned of shooting people who violated the rules. He faced the police, tore open his shirt, bared his chest and dared them to shoot if they could. This singular act of defiance won him the title of Andhra Kesari, that is, Lion of Andhra. Finally, I conclude by saying that we should not forget the freedom fighters who fought for the struggle, and we should remember all these freedom fighters. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.